What's up, guys? I feel like every time I do that, my hand looks really chunky.
I know, same. It's like...
What's up, guys? My voice.
To me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it.
So, today we are going thrift shopping.
Because we have no money.
We have absolutely no money.
Not a cent.
Brittany is a student and I own a home she part-time lives in. So
we're broke as hell.
We're broke as hell. I'm hoping to get some cool stuff because I'm going down south in 2 weeks. I just want to put it out there. We film our videos on our phone, and if somebody would like to give us suggestions on a nice little vlogging camera, nothing too expensive because like we just said before.
Yeah.
But if somebody that is into doing videos and stuff can let us know what camera they use, that would be greatly appreciated.
The phone's not doing too bad though.
No, it's not.
It's pretty clear. Like I feel like some people don't even know that it's our phone that we use.
And I don't think they. Yeah, like I think it's fine for now. I'm just saying, like later on, like
yeah.
So we're never doing a carpool karaoke video again because not only could we not put in my amazing homecoming rap performance, but also they copyrighted us for Mulan. So
yeah,
nobody's safe.
Did we ever get in a fight?
Yeah.
When? One time? I gotta tell everybody this. One time, okay, Christina's blind as a bat when she's never glasses on, especially when she's asleep.
Oh yeah.
So one time, I came home after a party and I was like, oh, I just want to go see Chris. And she was sleeping and I like bent down next to her bed and I was like, Chris. And she woke up and she was like, started swinging, punched me in the face.
So, but my side of the story is I am blind as a bat, like Brittany just said. But I'm like nestled in bed, asleep, right? I see a very shadowy figure jumping in front of my bed, yelling Chris and jumping, right? And I didn't know it was Brittany, right? And then this shadowy creature jumps in my bed and I'm
It's so bad. It's so bad. It's so bad.
and I started bopping her with hooks, like I was hooking her.
She like full out decked me like 2 or 3 times. And then I was
to the
like,
point that she knocked off the bed and she went flying.
Yeah, and then I was like, Quiz, are you mad at me?
Yeah, so then she starts crying. And not because I hurt her, because I hurt her emotionally.
She hurt my feelings.
Mike was like, Rick, get out of the room, she's trying to sleep. And she said, I'm not leaving until Chris says she's not mad at me.
I have this incessant need to please people. Like, people can't be mad at me. I can't tolerate it. It, like, literally, like, I just can't. I can't have people mad at me.
At least, like, probably once every second day, I get a text from Brittany being like, are you mad at me because of this? Guys, what should I take down south?
A hat? Like a floppy hat?
But do people still wear those? Me and Matt were talking about this today. Like, do people still wear floppy hats?
Sunscreen. You gotta wear sunscreen. Like,
oh my god, yeah.
If you don't wear sunscreen and you get burned bad, it's just gonna ruin your whole...
I think I'm gonna get a couple, like, actual hats.
You have that pink Adidas hat?
Yeah. So I was trying to find a nice, like, black, like, just baseball hat, right? When Marissa was home last.
Yeah.
I put one on that was...
What time's it, Chris?
2:03. I put one on that was literally the exact same as the one Marissa had on because she looks really nice in hats. And
I feel like Marissa's a hat person.
Yeah, she is. And she looked at me, she's like, why does it look like you're hiding from someone? Like, me with a hat is Wayne from Wayne's World.
You could be like me, and on any given day, if I don't have makeup on and my hair is natural, I look like James Franco from, what's that movie?
Pineapple Express.
Yeah, I look like James Franco from Pineapple Express.
I actually made a nice little collage. I will put it.
Yeah, we'll put that in.
Can we get a coffee, bud?
Do you want to get a coffee?
Do you want to get a coffee, bud?
Do you want one from Tim's or do you want to go? Do you like Starbucks?
Oh, Starbucks. I'll go to Starbucks.
We never had Starbucks until like
Yeah, like
2 years ago, so it's not like a thing that
no. I feel
is a thing around here.
fancy as hell when I go to Starbucks.
I do too, but I actually do like it. Like, well, I don't like their coffee. I think it's really strong, but their Cool Arm refreshers are.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, stay where you are.
Yeah, you stay right
buddy.
there, bud.
Holy God. Debit, please. Debit, please. Yeah. Thank you.
You're very welcome. See you now.
See ya. Can you hold that for a second? Oh.
This iced coffee tastes like cigarettes.
Does it really?
Yeah, taste it. Tastes like actual cigs.
Kind of strong, but this tastes really good. You like this?
Mm-hmm.
So, we're at Value Village now.
See who's in there.
Brittany. We're too self-conscious to film in here.
We just saw this really nice prom dress here, and
It was so nice. Let's show them.
Yeah, makes me want to go to prom again. If anybody needs a prom date, hit me up. How pretty is that?
It's so nice.
That's actually gorgeous. I would wear that.
I will wear it too.
Or is it bad that I want all of these? Day 24, thrift shopping, and we are only in the shirt section, and I've only found men's Levi's that I'm going to turn into shorts. Stay tuned. Does anybody else, when thrift shopping with a friend, get a little bit anxious and competitive that they're going to find something that you like before you find it?
What do you do?
Because same.
What do you do?
I was saying that, do you find when you go thrift shopping with somebody?
You get mad because they find better
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah. That's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling very anxious.
This is an active wear.
Imagine. Just imagine. I think we have officially lost Brittany.
Christina's avoiding me because I keep finding cool stuff. And we're back.
We are back. What did you get, Britt?
I got like a sweater and a bunch of uniforms. I didn't really get anything that I wear like on the day-to-day, but there wasn't that much in there.
No, I got a couple cute crop tops for, well, like t-shirts, like crop tees for my trip, and also I got a bunch of large men's pants because life hack, you can turn your dad's work pants into cute high-waisted shorts for the summer.
I can. And I got this for Mike. He's gonna freak. Mike is obsessed with James Bond, and he has been ever since he was little, and he has like, I think it's like, he has 50 James Bond DVDs, like the 007 collection, and I bought this. Not that we use a VCR, but I just thought that it was really cute. He will love it. How do you know? Oh, the light's green. The light's green! Go! The whole light is gone. Okay, Brent and potholes. What's up?
Oh, that's a pothole.
I will always love you.
So complicated.
I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else, getting me frustrated. Lies like this, you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty and promise me I'm never gonna find you faking. No, no, no. Did you ever see New York Minute with the Ashley Mary-Kate and Ashley twins?
No.
And they're New York Minute, and she has to go do like this speech, but
The Mary-Kate and Ashley twins.
or you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And she goes to do a speech at like this really important thing that her sister is supposed to go to, but she has to pretend to be your sister, so she just tries to like make up a speech, and she's like, and you break and you take what you can get and you turn it into honesty.
I talk with my hands, so much. Like, I'm just like,
You and Mike do it too. Like, you're both like,
yeah, like we're big hand talkers.
you're both like, and then I went to the grocery store and I got this.
Yeah, and this. Like, if I'm like trying to explain something over the phone, it goes awful because like
She can't move her hand. Well, she does move her hands, but they can't see her.
yeah. Like, if
she's
I'm
like-
on the phone, I'm on the other end doing this.
Yeah. And like, if she was on the phone and trying to give directions to someone, she'd be like, and then you turn left, and then
No,
take
I don't
a
even say that. I
right,
go, and then you turn
go
this
right,
way, and then you turn that way, and then this.
and then just stop.
Beach is that way.
Do you know what me and Matt started watching? Is that 70s show.
Oh, I love that 70s
And now
show.
I know the words to that song.
Hanging out.
Down the street, the
Same old thing we did last week. Not a thing to do
but
but talk to you.
We're all alright.
We're all alright.
Hello, Wisconsin.
We also started rewatching Grey's again for like the 8 millionth time.
Yeah, and it's actually physically paining us that we can't talk about the stuff that we
future.
saw because Mike and Matt haven't seen the worst of it. Everybody's still alive.
Except Denny.
Except Eddie. Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, Denny. I loved Denny. Like, I'm sorry if anybody didn't watch that part yet.
So, watching it back, I feel like I don't love Denny as much as I did at one point.
Are you kidding? I'm genuinely hurt. I love him. Like, I think he was one of the best guys on Grace. Derek was an idiot
Oh!
in the beginning.
Yes, he was. Oh yeah, Derek. Yeah, no, Derek is an ass.
In
Like,
the beginning, like, he's horrible.
like-
I would have ghosted him so bad if I was Meredith in the beginning.
excuse me, you can't have Meredith confess her love to you, and then you say, no, I'm going back with my wife. And then the second Meredith moves on, be like, you're a hoe.
She literally, like, broke down and was like, pick me, choose me, love me. And then he was like, I'm married, don't know what to tell ya.
You got the best of both worlds. Chill it out, take it slow. Then you rock out the show. You got the best of both worlds. I'm starving.
Saying this barbecue is going to be legend, wait for it, dairy.
Did I hear that they're coming out with another season of Hannah Montana? Or
Yeah,
is
right.
that made up? I feel like it has to be made up.
Honestly, who really knows? The Jonas Brothers are back together, so, like, anything is possible. If Hannah Montana did come back out, they could still cast Jason Earl as Jackson, and nobody would even question it, because
I
that
know.
man does not age.
He doesn't.
He does not age. I don't know what he drinks. I don't know what he eats, but I need to talk to him. Oh my god, I thought Sam was a cheetah. Take a video, quick. I thought there was a mountain lion or cheetah in the yard. Oh my god. You gotta see that. Look what I bought for you.
I like it. I like it a lot. No, I do. I actually like it.
So this is what I got. I swear that vest looks cute on. It looks kind of like a Nan vest from here, but anyway. I got a couple cute little tops for down south. And I got, like I was saying before, the big men's work pants that I'm going to cut into cute high-rise shorts. So if you guys would like to see a video on that, I can do that too.
I'll just show what I got really quickly. I got black scrub pants, a black athletic sweater. We all know what a black athletic sweater looks like. A cute little RN lab coat, and another one. And this really cute sweater, and I'm gonna try this one on because I know everyone is going to think, what are you thinking buying that? But it's actually really adorable. I'm not an RN yet. I graduate in May, and that's why I bought an RN lab coat.
So we're gonna end that here. Hopefully, if you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
If you were trying to point down, it's not in the screen. Also, 1 like equals 1 prayer for Christina. She has an uncontrollable urge to do peace signs. All right.
We'll see you next time. Bye.